Hi there, welcome back to Fuse. I'm gonna ask you something. Is there any of you who are not familiar with the word give, send, pay, explain, describe? Well, I'm sure all of you know them or even you use them very often. But the question is, have you used them correctly? Well, now in this video, I'll explain to you each of them, how to use each of them correctly. Okay, I will give you examples, the right one, the correct ones, and the wrong ones, the incorrect ones. Okay, let's begin with the word give. There are two ways where you can use the word give. You give something to someone, or you give someone something. Let's just take a look at the example. I'm sure some of you, especially the young generation, the TikTok generation, know this lyrics, part of this lyrics. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. I'll give you all my love. I'll give someone something. See? That's the correct sentence. Or you can also say like this. Come closer, I'll give my love to you. That's also correct. But don't ever say, I'll give my love you. That's incorrect. Right, you got it? Okay, move on to the second word. Send. How you use it is almost the same with give. You send something to someone, or you send someone something. Let's take a look at the example. Send my love to you. That's correct. Or send you my love. That's also correct. But send my love you, that's incorrect. You're trying to see what I mean, right? Okay, now the third word, buy. Okay, you buy something for someone, or you buy someone something. Examples. I'll buy you a new phone. I'll buy you a new car. That's correct. Both sentences are correct. Or you can also say like this. Oh, that shirt looks nice. I'll buy it for you. That's correct. But don't ever say, I'll buy it you. I'll buy a pencil you. No, that's incorrect. That's wrong. Or don't ever say, oh, I'll buy a bar of chocolate to you. That's also incorrect. Explain. The next one is the word explain. You explain something to someone. Okay, there's only one way to use the word explain. For example, oh, it looks like you are having a difficult time in doing it. I'll explain it to you. Okay. You cannot say, I'll explain you it. No, that's incorrect. I'll explain it to you. That's correct. Right. The last one, describe. How you use it is exactly the same like the word explain. Do you describe something to someone? Okay, for example, oh, I have explained how the machine works to my brother. That's correct. You cannot say, oh, I have explained how the machine works my brother. That's incorrect. You also cannot say, oh, I have explained my brother how the machine works. No, that's incorrect. Well, maybe some of non-native speakers of English, some of the non-native speakers of English often make those mistakes. But those mistakes will be very apparent to the native speakers. Okay, so try to use them correctly, right? So if you have any further questions or comments, suggestions, you know that you can always drop it in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you won't miss any next videos that I upload. Okay, thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for supporting me. Okay, keep being healthy. Okay, stay safe. Okay, good luck and bye bye.